Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwini Priyadarshini Megur, also known as Avi, and I'm a PhD student in the field of biology. So today's video is going to be about product review, and I'm going to be disclosing all the ingredients present in a particular brand product. So today's product is going to be about the Be Minimalist or Minimalist brand from India and their product that is vitamin C 10%. So I'm going to be breaking down all the ingredients present in this particular formulation, and I'm going to be acknowledging you guys if these particular ingredients are good for you, if you have to invest your money into, or you just have to avoid this product. Looking at this product packaging, so this is a vitamin C. Usually vitamin C should be in a pump bottle. It is why because vitamin C is very unstable in presence of oxygen. So when you are using vitamin C, you might have seen your mouth of the bottle or rim of the bottle going yellow, or else it is just fading into dark orangish dew. It is just because the vitamin C came into the contact with oxygen and then it lost its efficiency. So that's the reason why the packaging is very important when it comes to vitamin C. So without any further ado, let's just jump into the ingredient list and see what are the different types of ingredient present in this particular formulation. So if you see the formulation, the first thing is always like water-based if you want it to soap. But I love this idea where they added like Centella asiatica, that is Gotu-kola plant water. So usually these particular plant water is high in antioxidant. It is also having anti-aging properties. So basically it removes all the free radicals from your face. So if you live in a place where your skin has been damaged due to pollution, then I think this is one of the go-to products then. The second ingredient is 3-O-ethyl ascorbic acid. So there are different types of ascorbic acid. There is L-ascorbic acid. So then there is like 3-O-ethyl ascorbic acid. So these all, like L-ascorbic acid is a pure form of vitamin C. Okay, so then is 3-O-ethyl ascorbic acid, which is actually being derived from the ascorbic acid itself, but it is more stable in the presence of oxygen. It should not be in contact with the oxygen very often, but it is much more stable as compared to the 100% pure ascorbic acid. So this is like a really good ingredient. If I see like any particular formulation that has been formulated with 3-O-ethyl ascorbic acid, then I would be suggesting my subscribers and all my friends to just go and buy it, because that is one really good product, because that is a really good ingredient that is stable in all the vitamin C forms and derivatives. So it's a really good ingredient in general. Then there is acetyl glucosamine, which is a skin lightening agent. As we already are aware that we have larger melanocytes when we are skin of color. So we need to be very careful while selecting any sort of formulation. So this particular product is really good because I love the formulation till now. It doesn't have any fragrance, it doesn't have any comedogenic ingredient. So it is all naturally derived and I love it. It's cruelty free. So if you want to try this, just use it at the nighttime, not at the daytime, because at nighttime vitamin C works really well. As I said, it is unstable in the presence of sunlight as well as oxygen. If you see the packaging, so vitamin C packaging is very light protective. The packaging is always dark. It is because vitamin C itself is unstable in presence of light. Even retinols are unstable in presence of light, and also in presence of oxygen, vitamin C is quite unstable and loses its efficiency. So that is the reason why you need to use it at the night time to get its best benefit. Even if you're using it at the daytime, it's not a bad idea to use it at the daytime. Let it get soaked completely into your skin, then nicely touch it up with a lot of thick moisturizer, and then on top of it goes 50 SPF plus sunscreen. The gluconolactone as well as the sodium hyaluronate, which is also present in this particular formulation, act as a humectant. So they are holding the water molecule, helping for the hydration of your skin. But it is in a lesser percentage, so it's not in a higher percentage as I was thinking it could be. So it's like a really good thing, and it already has water molecule binding from the Gotu-kola water, leaf water. So if you want, you can even like apply it on the damp skin, and it can also be really useful for the humectants because they will hold more water and help for the hydration. All right, what are my personal takes about this product? I really love it. If you are planning to buy it, it's worth every single penny, I believe. Because I love Be Minimalist brand products. There are like a lot of products actually introduced by them, and I really love most of their products. Not all of their products are good for skin of color, but this one is definitely good for skin of color. But the only thing that you have to keep in mind is that you cannot add these kind of actives like vitamin C with some other acids. Like if you're using glycolic acid toning solution or something and then you're using vitamin C, it's not really a great idea. So just use it as it is alone, and you can just follow a simple skincare routine where you lather up with a foaming cleanser, remove all the excess oil and dirt from your skin, then use 2 to 3 drops of this vitamin C all over your face, and then leave it for at least 5 to 10 minutes, and then cover it up with a good thick moisturizer, and you can just go to sleep. That is it. Keep it as simple as possible, and you can see that how vitamin C is changing your skin and how effective it is on your skin by reducing all the dark spots, fine lines, and even improving the overall skin tone and even clearing your skin. So it's like a very powerful ingredient. Vitamin C rocks when it comes to anti-aging, anti-blemish, anti-hyperpigmentation, and everything. It's just such an amazing ingredient in general to be incorporated into your skincare routine. Don't mix it with retinols. As I said, just use it as it is. It's your nighttime routine, and you need to keep it as simple as possible. The more you make it complicated, it just is gonna break out your skin, and your skin will be allergic to a few of the things from the ingredients. So that is it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that I could cover all the points and it was really useful for you. If it was, make sure that you click on that bell icon so that you can be updated whenever I come up with a new video, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Bye.